What's going on, Joyriders? You guys ready to vlog? Bex, come here, come here.
Yeah, yeah.
She gives me a hard time because I don't do intros.
Yeah,
and introduce myself.
Yeah.
So, my name is JD, and I have blonde hair, blue eyes, and no, I'm just no. I post videos on YouTube, and I talk to myself, and I look like an idiot, and I walk around with the camera, and people stare at me weird in public. But when you guys watch the videos, it's not as weird. And this is my GT500, and I do reaction videos, and we do event coverage whenever we go to events. And then Bex is always on the channel, and then my wife Laura, you guys will see her. She's not big into the vlogging stuff. She's not like, well, how would you say?
She's shy.
She's just shy. That
But
works.
she's hot as
Yeah, she's hot. I'd do her. I would.
We know it works twice.
That's my mini-me. We're gonna go head over and go grab some breakfast, but we actually heard some guys doing some burnouts over here in my spot, so we're gonna go and investigate that and see what that is, right?
Yeah, I'm excited. I love trolling people, so.
Trolling people. If you guys are new to watching this video and it's just your first time watching one of the videos, subscribe, right?
Yeah,
Should I?
that's exactly what
Yeah, I guess that's how that works. I don't know, but we're gonna try it, see.
We're getting ready to leave, going to get some food, and we heard someone doing a burnout in JD's spot. So we came over to do some investigating, and we found a subscriber. And now JD is making new friends, and someone's going home with a shirt, I'm sure.
We're going to brunch with us.
Yeah, we're going to brunch.
Ricky, Instagram?
Ricky Rocket 94.
All right, we'll put that in here.
Yeah, definitely.
Sounds good. You got cams in there?
Yeah, my dad actually installed them. I helped him with them. The Ford Racing hot rod cams, and then the Ford Racing Stingers. Everything on the car is Ford Racing, except for the Bama Performance tune. We got from American Muscle. I love those guys there. They did awesome work there.
Look, Laura came through and hooked the guys up with some shirts.
Absolutely. Appreciate it. This is awesome.
Tell them to do a burnout for you. You want them to do a one?
I don't think he can. That car won't do one, will it?
You want to see a burnout?
You think that car would do one?
He's shy.
Gotta do it. Light him up.
Do it for the vlog. Here, let's get the kids out of the way. We know these Mustangs are famous for running into people. No, we don't want to do that.
Thanks.
Next barbecue.
Yeah, next barbecue.
Just Laura inside. Tell her.
Yeah, she's with the
bye.
babe.
Yeah, tell her bye.
Bye, Laura.
So that was fun.
Seatbelt on, back.
Yes, Mom.
That was a lot of fun. That was awesome. Burnouts were good. His name is Ricky. Did you know that?
Yeah. His license plate said Ricky Ticky or something.
Ricky Ticky. We're gonna call him Ricky Bobby.
Ricky Bobby.
Ricky
Got
Bobby.
some shake.
It's fine.
Go fast, Mama.
We skipped the vlogging.
Yeah, we bore everybody with our food vlogs, so, you know. But I'll tell you what, guys, this is my baby. His name is Food Day.
Food baby. Laura wants a third.
You do, you're gonna jinx yourself and you're gonna have a girl.
That's what I want as a girl.
No, absolutely not.
Yes, we got two boys. We need a little girl. Because we're gonna name her Shelby. What? What? But this Bel Air looks badass. So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna go put these wheels on.
Yeah, let's go put those wheels on and then get some glamour shots.
Glamour
But
shots.
first,
What?
Oh, you know where she wants to go.
Oh my
I
goodness.
need coffee.
Starbucks vlog. After we ate, they decided they wanted to walk to Starbucks. So that's what they're gonna do. I'm driving. What's up, girls? Oh, I don't care. Let me get that number. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Easy, bud.
Ow,
Easy.
Ow, ow, ow.
Yeah.
Not meant for babies. Not meant for babies.
Hey, you know what? That's my boy. He's a hair puller.
Oh, God. You can't encourage boys and then want a girl.
JD is not, I don't know what he's gonna do if we have a girl.
You're such a womanizer. There's
Yeah,
no
he
way.
is. Yes, you are.
Literally just said, you see, he pulls girls' hair.
I've been with you since high school.
Yeah, and
Since we were like teenagers.
same way ever since.
Thank you, bud.
Pulling hair, right?
Inappropriate.
That's how I be. That's what I do.
How you do? You do like me? How do you?
You're a goof.
Can we get a transition?
We've got all new. Look at that. TPMS sensors. The welds are leaving. So we can officially say bye to the welds. If anybody wants a set of big and littles, hit me up. Probably gonna sell them and move on to something different. And then later on, I'll probably go back to another set. But I think what I'll do next time is just get a set of rears, something. But just gonna sell these. I would sell just the fronts, but that since I powder coated them, it's kind of like a set now. You know, you can't really get rid of it. And oh, say hi to the vlog, Tom. Tom came by.
What's up, everybody?
And you know what he did? Because he's a troll, he likes to tease Laura. He drove her truck out here. So, yeah. These things are so light. Right there. So this is passenger side because when you drive, you go this way. But if you go, but see the bad thing about these rotational tires, if you put your car in reverse, you have to get out and swap the tires around so they rotate the correct way.
Yep.
I hate that. I hate it.
Says,
Oh yeah. Because every time you take your wheels off and you put new wheels, of course, what's the first thing you're gonna do? Take pictures. So you want these things to be nice and clean.
make sure you put some armor all on that rotor.
Yes, yes, you do that. It helps with stopping.
Oh, you don't put lube on there?
You can do that.
Everybody heard my joke. They were like, about the lube and the bushing. They were like, why did JD make a response? She always yells at JD with his dirty responses.
Alright, where's it loading at? Yeah, they really look good, and I like it because you can really see the brakes and the rotors. Shout out to Power Stop. And if you guys need some rotors, definitely check out Power Stop. Look who it is, back at the Joyride garage. Yeah. Brian showed up with his Mustang over there, but we're gonna do some little, I guess, testing or research and development, YouTube style.
JD, what traction is.
Yeah, I was wondering if you could swing by the house with your work truck and swap 2 tires real quick. There's another set of burners.
Okay.
Just text me and let me know when you're on your way.
All right, good board.
All right, bye. Chuck always comes through.
What's going on, Joyriders? Well, it's another typical day at the Joyride house. And for anyone who's been following us for a long time, you know that nothing ever is as smooth as we plan it to be. So JD was doing really well getting the tires on. We were great on track. We were gonna get you some awesome glamour shots and, you know, the whole jamadoo. But we had a little slip up. We needed to get some spacers for the front tires because if we didn't, yeah, it's not good. So we're McJaggering some spacers that we got from the store, and we're making it work. JD did order new ones so he could put them on just before the week, but we're making it work so we can get some awesome glamour shots and make this video pop out. So everyone is very panicked and running around inside getting everything fixed up. So let's go take a look. All right, JD, I think everybody's up to speed here.
Everybody's up to speed. This is the spacer that we got. It is not the correct spacer, but it was the only one that the auto parts store had when we went there. So we're gonna modify it, drill it. This is only temporarily. So yeah, it doesn't fit at all. Make it work.
anybody else get the heebie-jeebies when these guys work on their stuff without gloves? Or is that just me?
With a little bit of touch-up paint, because what I'll do is I'll tape everything off and just hit
Yeah, I was gonna say, you don't even need to tape everything, just the Brembo logo.
The car is done, we got the wheels on it, but yeah, it's dark now, so we can't really get you guys the glamour shots. So here, I'm making a bunch of noise with those keys. You can't have that. But anyways, I want to thank Brian for coming out here again. Check out his YouTube channel. He's also doing an exhaust giveaway. What kind of exhaust are you giving away?
They're AWE touring mufflers. I won them from American Muscle, so.
Oh, so you won them?
Yeah, but
so now you're gonna give them away.
Yeah, because I got the quad tips on there. I'm not gonna take them off, so I'd rather give them to someone else that can make better use of them.
Yep. Check out his channel. You'll go over there and you'll have a video up.
It's already posted.
It's already posted.
Yep.
Check that out, and you guys can see how to get that exhaust. So this is the damage that it did to the brakes. So a wheel vlog that usually would take a couple hours to do, it has taken me a few days just because of all the hiccups and different things that I've ran into. I ordered this, it's a 5mm spacer off of Amazon, but unfortunately it doesn't fit. The center hole is just not wide enough. You took the spacer that I had before and we just kind of rigged it up, and Chuck helped us out with that, so we're just going to put that back on. But right now I'm going to sand the brake caliper and paint it. But we're going to cover all of this up. Oh yeah. This should be good. Wow, they look good, guys. Comment below. Comment below. What do you think of the new wheel? I had to throw that in there. I wanted to go with something different. I rocked the drag setup for a while, powder coated them. I just wanted to switch it up, wanted to go with the street setup. This coming up week, it's Mustang week. I'm gonna be daily driving this, so it'd be better to daily drive it on the street setup. So I just wanted to switch things up. But I did go a little bit different. Something normally that you guys, I guess, don't really see much is I went with two different sizes. I went with 18 by 10 in the rear, 19 by 8.5 up front. I just did that because I wanted a fatter, like meatier looking tire in the rear, and I just wanted to see how it would look because I haven't really seen that done yet. And it absolutely looks amazing. If you guys are interested in these wheels or want, I guess, more details on it, I'll put all the specs of the wheels in the description below so you guys can check that out. Everything from the tires to the lug nut, the entire setup was all through American Muscle. So I got to give Will with American Muscle a big shout out and a thanks because he kind of helped me with picking everything out. So thank you, Will, you're awesome. But also just wanted to let you guys know Mustang week is right around the corner, so guys, get ready. I will be daily vlogging. Last year I daily vlogged while I was there. It was successful. You guys love the videos, so we're gonna do it again this year. So if you guys are at Mustang week, you need to come Friday night to the subscriber meet. It's gonna be me and a bunch of other YouTubers. We're getting together and we're gonna do a little meet and greet that Friday. So it's gonna be Derek, Baron Production, Mustang Lifestyle, Jeff Ashton, that dude in blue, and Stang Mode. He actually hit me up last minute. He asked if you can join, so you can join. So for those of you guys that aren't gonna make it to Mustang week, it's all right. I'm bringing Mustang week to you guys with these vlogs. So definitely, if you guys wanna see these daily vlogs, make sure you do hit that notification bell so you get notified every day when I post these videos, because you definitely are gonna wanna check them out. So I'm gonna go ahead, wrap this video up, and I will see you guys, I'm not even gonna say the next video, I will see you guys tomorrow, because as soon as I shut this camera off, I'm loading the car up on the trailer, And then I'm heading down to Mustang week. I'm starting mine early. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.